In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change lot size on MetaTrader 5. This is a fundamental skill for anyone who wants to manage risk properly and control position size with confidence. I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for every time you place a trade. First, you need to open the new order window, because that's where you actually set the lot size for a trade. There are a few different ways to get there, and you can use whichever feels most convenient for you. One option is to go to the top toolbar of MetaTrader 5 and click on New Order. This is usually the most obvious method, especially if you like using the mouse and keeping your focus near the main controls. Another option is to use the Market Watch window. In Market Watch, you'll see a list of instruments like currency pairs or other assets your broker provides. Find the instrument you want to trade, right-click on it, and then select New Order from the context menu that appears. This is useful if you like to start your trades directly from the instrument list. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts or want to work a bit faster, you can also press the F9 key on your keyboard. This immediately opens a new order window for the currently selected instrument. Over time, a lot of traders end up using this method because it's quick and efficient. Once the new order window is open, look for the field labeled volume. This is where you set your lot size. The volume value determines how big your trade will be, so it has a direct impact on your potential profit and loss. In this volume field, type the lot size you want to use. For example, you might enter 0.01 for a micro lot, 0.1 for a mini lot, or 1 for a standard lot, depending on your account type and broker settings. Always make sure the number you enter matches your risk management plan and the size you're comfortable trading. After you've set the desired lot size and checked that everything else in the order window looks correct, you're ready to place the trade. To do that, simply click Buy if you want to go long, or sell if you want to go short. MetaTrader 5 will execute the trade using the exact lot size you entered in the volume field. That's all there is to it. By consistently checking and setting the volume before you click buy or sell, you'll always stay in control of your lot size on MetaTrader 5.